my history as a rower, I started off at university as an undergraduate, and I'd thought about rowing before, but I'd never had the chance at school or anything. So I knew that I'd want to when I got to uni, and I got snapped up in the first week because I'm tall, and learned how to row as part of an 8, so with eight rowers in the boat. And from there, I had a go at rowing by myself, and then I've sort of graduated onto ocean rowing from there. So the idea for this particular challenge first came from me hearing about people doing ocean rowing about 8 years ago, and it stuck in my head, and I thought one day I'd like to try out doing that for myself. And I'd already done sailing in the South Pacific and was doing rowing, but it's taken quite a few years to finally come up to this point of actually going for it and doing it. And it was when I heard about this race, which is the first ever rowing race in the Pacific Ocean, the Great Pacific Race, that I thought that's the thing to get involved in, that's the one to go for. Yeah, this is a really big endurance test, and it's something that I want to make sure that I'm ready for by the time I get out there. It's 3 months of rowing pretty much every day for long periods at a time, and eat up to sort of between 4,500 and 8,000 calories every day, which is 3 to 4 times as much as most people need to eat in a normal day. In terms of training, obviously I'm doing training on the water, now I've got the boat. Also a lot of time in the gym doing weights and trying to build up muscle to sustain me while I'm out there. I'm rowing 2,400 miles from California to Hawaii, and my goal is to get each one of those miles dedicated to an inspirational woman. So I'm asking everybody to come onto the website and nominate a woman for one of those miles. The names of the women will be written all around the side of the boat, and also on the days that I row their miles. So if you're mile 15, on the day that I row mile 15, I will send out messages about that woman and about all the other women from that day, and they'll also get a certificate as well.